Funniest thing happened today. I went to Walmart looking for a little bit of Halloween stuff for my grandson. And I was looking on the shelves and I found a few things. And when I turned around, this was in my basket. I think they jumped in there. I think the name for them, as Kirk said, is Little Rascals. I don't know how they got in my basket. I don't know if they jumped in or they sneaked in or what, but they were in my basket and I could not get them to leave, and so here they are. I decided just to take them home. On a more serious note, I have seen these off and on over the last couple of years, maybe a few years I would say, and they remind me, I think they may be a takeoff of the Mortensen Math having a party blocks. You can see some of them in here. I'm not sure if they're a takeoff on that or if the inspiration came from something else. But needless to say, the Mortensen Math having a party blocks are very similar in nature and they're fun. Right? So I've not gone out of my way to buy these, but I have kind of been very curious about them. And so, lucky me, they jumped in my basket today and wouldn't leave. Anyways, I thought I would open them with you guys today. You can see the colors are different than Mortensen Math, but still they're fun, right? And I think everybody has some of these blocks in there. So that's the front of it. For ages 3+ because of the small pieces. And this is the back of it. And I am going to open it from here. Let me just do that. Okay, no one said I'm good at this. I'm going to unbox it, but... Okay, hang on. There it comes. Just move that out of the way. Oh, I see. Opens on that side. Okay. So here it is. Oh, this is upside down now. It's interesting the way that opens. And so we've got stickers for the blocks. Math links. Can we see that in there? So a little bit of an activity booklet. Talks about character cards. It gives the numbers 0 through 8, a little bit about all of them. Also, yes, these have videos that go along with them. I believe they're on Netflix and also YouTube. So it talks about different episodes, right? I'll have to have a better look through that. And then you can see what these guys are here. All right, so I'm going to put that up there. The stickers up there. Okay, these are really cool. I guess I'll open them. Well, maybe I'll just slide them out. Maybe I'll use those again. Hang on, let's go back to this. There's number 1. Well, card 10, card 9. I really am not sure what these are for. There's card 1, card 2. Let's go this way. Card 3. Card 4. These are quite cool. I have no idea what these are for, but as you can see, they're like Mortensen Math blocks and Cuisinart rods. You know, there's 4 and 1. There's 3 and 2, right? 3 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 1. I'm hoping this is on on the screen. All right, let's see. We got 4. We've got 5. Another, okay, now it's another set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that says 10, 5. I don't know exactly how these work. There's 7 and 8. They look very fun though. Look at that, eh? Spaceships. Spiff and Biff. Very cute. I think these have a lot to do with the videos that they have going on. You can see, oh, I love dice. All right, so anyways, there's this set of activity cards. I'm assuming that's what they're for. Okay, so let's just let's put those back in there. Okay, so activity cards. Oh, I see. Okay, these are interesting. That's just cardboard. These are interesting. I assume these go into these to put the stickers on. So they go into the holes here, so you can put your stickers onto the squares like that. That's really cool. So that's something I'm going to be playing around with. Although I might change my colors. Let's see what colors they have here. I'm wondering if we have Mortensen Math colors. Green, orange, pink, yellow, light blue, purple. We could say white would be 7. There's no brown, but we could do that. And then, yeah. But I do have some other colors too that I could put together because I would love to do these in Mortensen Math colors rather than the number block colors, because they do really remind me of the Having a Party blogs. This was created in, well, this book in particular is copyright 1995. These are copyright 2021. So I'm very curious if the inspiration came from the characters that Shaylin has created for me, and or it's come from this. Yeah, but I mean, it is super cool. It's something I would have loved to do myself and still may do with the Mortensen Math block colors. Well, you know, I do use my characters and things like that, but I think these guys have a little bit more help in creating what they've wanted to. And this is hand to mind, by the way. So yeah, they're really cool. I think that they're going to be fun. I would say, yeah, let's, you know, if you see them, get yourself a kit. They were only $25 for this little kit. So not too bad at all. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. So I will close this up. And maybe you will see me build some things with these. I'm not sure. I think my grandson would love these. My granddaughter probably will too as she gets older. And there you go. That's the little kit. You can get these online as well. But like I said, I didn't go out of my way to buy these. It's just they jumped in my cart at Walmart and couldn't get them out, so had to bring them home. I think they're going to be very happy here. All right, thanks, guys. Have a good afternoon or morning or evening or whatever it is where you are. Okay, so I decided to actually build them based on the colors that they have. So this would be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I love this guy with all the colors, 8, 9, and 10. And then they have these, this would be 0. See that you can, do you see anything right here? No, there's nothing there, right? What's another name for nothing in math? It's 0. So this would be 0 right here. They made a little one like that, and he just stands up. Now when these guys stand up like this, which you won't be able to see their faces once they do that, you can see they get 1 step bigger every time. Okay, and what you do is you find the numbers that go with it. So that's 2, that goes with 2, he goes in top. 3, oh, what am I doing? 3 3s here. 1's there. 8, 6, 4, 9, 10, 5, and 7. So they just go on the top, and what it looks like is something like this. So you can see the block And you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 3. Right, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so I'm going to take those out. And I'm going to lay these back down. I'll leave 0 there. Well, actually, I'll take 0 out too, because you can see there's nothing there. Oh my, a little avalanche. All right, let's do this. And you can see the only colors that are the same as Mortensen Math colors is the 2, which is orange, the 5, which is light blue, and the 6, which is purple. They do have other colors in here. This would be 100 in Mortensen Math. This would be 3. This would be 4. And then we don't have 7, 8, 9, or 10 colors, I don't believe, in here. Anyway, so then you can transform these. So this is 4. And then he can be transformed into a square because 4 is a square number, right? And then 6 can be transformed 2 by 3. This is 2 by 2. And then 9 gets transformed like this. Let me have a peek how they've done that. So this guy comes off. And then we've got, I'll put this guy back on here. We put this eye here, and we'll put this eye here, and then this goes this way, and then this can just, actually I guess I'll turn that first, goes like that, and then this guy goes here. And then underneath is, nope, that's the wrong one. Underneath is, hang on a sec, oh, there we go. Underneath, so that's the top layer, and then this goes like this. Like that. That goes there. That gets connected there. Oh. Like that. Hang on, is that not connecting? There we go. And then another layer. This is 3 by 3, and you can see they've used a really light gray, and then a bit darker gray, and then a dark gray for that. Okay, so 9 was big and tall, but he's also a square number. This is not square, this is just rectangular, but these two numbers are square. 4 is a square number, 9 is a square number. So they have that transformed. 5 they have transformed, like this. So 5 and 6. And 10, basically what they do is they take this guy out and they put an eye here. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this like this. So they turn him into a rectangle, and he has that eye. This goes that way, and this eye, and then he has a mouth, and then he has this guy here. So this is a rectangular number. Okay, 8 can also be transformed. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but we're talking prime and composite numbers here now, right? So this comes out of here. This goes like that. Let's put this guy here. Okay, we need another eyeball, which goes that way. And we need a mouth. Where's the mouth? The mouth goes this way. So now we've got 8 transformed, 9 transformed, 10 transformed. You can see that this is a, this is neither prime nor composite. This is prime. This is prime. This is square, also composite. This is prime. Because you can't make a rectangle out of it. So you can't make any other rectangle than those, right? That has something missing. This is composite. This is prime. Again, same thing like with this, and this. And then this is composite, and this is square and composite, and then composite, right? So this is kind of cool what they've done so far. Now the other thing that I noticed and I missed in here is they have these character cards. Okay, so this is for 0. Shows you where it is on the number line. It gives you some information about how it works, right? There's 0, right? There's how you write 0. There's nothing here, right? So they do the character cards 0, 1, 2, I love this guy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are the character cards, and they just have different things, show you how to get from like 9 to 10, or 8 to 9, 7 to 8, etc., etc. So character cards. Then these cards here, I figured out what they are actually for. They go with the episodes. So this is episode Orange 5, and that's right here. Hang on. No, square Orange 5. So square Orange 5 will be here. Octoblock to the rescue. And so it talks about the naughty, terrible twos have been causing trouble again, but when Octoblock, number block 8, tries to help, he gets tied up. So these are all to go with the episodes. So you can see square 5 goes here, square 6 goes here, and then let's just randomly pick one here. This would be Orange 7, right? And it's a triangle, so that's in here somewhere. It tells you what it's about. And I'm sure that you can find those videos on Netflix or YouTube. So yeah, those are activity cards to go with the episodes. I'm not exactly sure how that all works yet. I haven't looked at that. But activity cards, and then they show you how to build them. And yeah, these are pretty cool. I'm glad that they jumped in my basket today. And I think it was meant to be. And also just the character cards, I had said earlier in the video, it goes, they go 0 to 8, but actually it goes 0 to 10, right? They're just on the other side. So these would be the red circle episodes. And these would be, this is a red triangle episode, orange triangle episodes, orange square episodes, etc. Yeah. So I hope that gives you an idea what they're like. I think they're really cool. I would definitely, if I had little kids like myself, mine are all grown now. My son's almost 40. If I had children still of the age that would be using this, I would definitely be buying them for them. I will be using these in my math sessions, and also perhaps when my grandchildren get a little bit older, they may enjoy playing with them as well. All right, so that's it. Talk to you later.